Hey, math lovers! Have you ever wondered if something as mysterious as pi raised to the pi could ever be an integer? Sounds impossible, right? Well, grab your thinking caps, because we're diving into one of the wildest thought experiments in math. First, let's break this down. Pi, or pi, is an irrational number, meaning it goes on forever without repeating. It's already mind-boggling on its own. Now, imagine stacking pi powers on top of each other like this. Here, the first pi is raised to the power of pi. That result is then raised to another pi, and so on. This infinite tower of S grows astronomically fast. But, could it actually hit a sweet spot, where it becomes an integer? At first glance, it feels impossible. Irrational numbers, raised to other irrational numbers, almost always stay, well, irrational. But there's a twist. It could happen, and here's why. In math, there's something called transcendental numbers, like pi, that are even more irrational. But occasionally, when these numbers interact in specific ways, they can hit integer values. Kind of like planets aligning perfectly. This happens through something called Diophantine approximation. To put it simply, if the power tower of pi aligns just right, mathematically, it could theoretically land on an integer. Scientists don't know if it's that magic alignment, but they can't prove it doesn't either. How wild is that? So, is an integer? It's one of math's unsolved mysteries. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your math nerd friends. Until next time, stay curious.